Is your brightness control not working on your laptop? Don't worry, this is a very common problem, and you can fix it in just a few seconds. Type Device Manager in the search bar and open it. After that, find Display Adapters and expand it. Here, you will see Intel UHD graphics. Right-click on it and click on Disable Device. Don't worry, your screen might flicker for a moment. Now, again right-click on the same option and click on Enable Device. That's it. Your brightness control button should start working now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.